guys, TJ here with Windshield Fitters and Rockchip USA. As promised, I have here Glaswell's new product, HydroGuard. We're gonna be using it here on my truck, on the windshield. You can use this in any glass surface that you want to repel water, like also your door glass, the back glass. You can also use this on your shower. But we're gonna try this out to see how long it lasts, how good the product is. They've sent me this to try it out, so I'll show you guys. We're gonna open this new kit and see what's in it. First things first, I wanna make sure you wear eye protection and put some gloves on because we are working with chemicals. There we go. All right, so we're gonna open the HydroGuard here. All right, so we got the HydroGuard liquid. It's a little bit wet, so I wonder if it's spilled a little bit in here. Yep, it is wet. We have the applicators. And we have a Glaswell's microfiber towel. Of course, before you wash your car or clean the windshield, if you have any rock chips, you want to take care of those first. Make sure they're fully dry, the resin, and then you can apply the product, or you can wash the car and apply your product. I recommend, if you have a little rock chip after it's fixed, get some scotch tape, just regular scotch tape, little piece of tape, and place it where the rock chip was done, just so we don't contaminate the repair area. You just need a little bit of tape where you have your rock chip, and then you can apply the product. You can cut around it with a razor blade, make it really small if you don't want any of that hydrophobic chemical on top of your rock chip. If you want to do that, just an option, but make sure you fix the rock chips first before you apply any moisture or any hydrophobic chemicals on the windshield. You want to apply your HydroGuard first on the applicator, and we're going to do quadrants. So we're going to do this side first, the bottom. I'm only going to do the middle, so you can see the difference between the driver's side and the passenger side. Next time it rains, I'm going to show you guys the difference. So here we go. Let's put this on a little bit right around it. Close it, make sure it's closed so you don't spill it. And we're going to start applying it up here from the edge. So we'll do open down, open down, open down, and then we do left and right, left and right. And we'll do the bottom here. Just grab your microfiber towel and wipe it off. One thing I do like to do is pull this sticker off because it'll leave a streak, as you can see right here. See those streaks? So pull this off. Right now is let's see, Saturday, November 23rd. So we're gonna test it out, see how long it lasts. This is the side with HydroGuard. Look, it barely sticks. That's awesome. See the difference? Glides off. One thing I forgot to mention is that you want to do this in the shade or late afternoon. Make sure the glass is cool to the touch. You don't want to do it when it's really hot outside. So wait till late afternoon when the sun's coming down, or if you want to put it in the garage like I did, that's the best place to do it at.